Hello space enthusiasts! Have you ever imagined how important the moon is to our planet? Today we are going to find out what would happen if the moon disappeared in the immensity of our galaxy. The moon's gravitational influence helps stabilize Earth's axial tilt, which is crucial for maintaining consistent climate patterns. A stable axial tilt ensures relatively predictable seasons and weather conditions across different regions. Without the moon's gravitational pull, Earth's axial tilt could become more prone to fluctuations over time. This instability could lead to more erratic weather patterns, including increased frequency and intensity of storms, droughts, and heat waves. Such climate fluctuations would pose significant challenges for agriculture, water resource management, and ecosystem stability. In the first moments, the world would already notice climate fluctuations. Tides are primarily driven by the gravitational pull of the moon, which causes the ocean's water to bulge and create tidal patterns. These tides play a vital role in coastal ecosystems, nutrient cycling, and maritime navigation. Without the moon, tides would be greatly diminished and irregular, leading to disruptions in coastal habitats and ecosystems. Coastal regions would experience unpredictable tidal fluctuations resulting in coastal erosion, habitat loss, and increased vulnerability to storm surges and flooding. The loss of regular tidal patterns could also impact marine life cycles, breeding habitats, and migration routes. Second, irregular tides. The gravitational attraction between the moon and Earth causes the ocean's water to bulge, creating the phenomenon of tides. These tides are essential for coastal ecosystems, nutrient distribution, and maritime navigation. Without the moon's gravitational pull, tides would be much weaker and less predictable. Coastal regions would experience irregular tidal patterns, with some areas facing reduced tidal fluctuations while others might see unusually high tides. This could result in coastal erosion, flooding, and habitat loss, affecting both marine and terrestrial ecosystems. Third, darker nights. The moon's reflected sunlight brightens the night sky, providing illumination known as moonlight. This natural light source affects various aspects of life on Earth, including nocturnal activities, visibility, and human behavior. Without the moon, nighttime skies would be significantly darker, with only starlight and artificial lighting sources to provide illumination. This reduction in natural light could impact nocturnal animals' hunting, mating, and navigation behaviors. Additionally, human activities such as outdoor recreation, navigation, and astronomy would be affected by the darker nights. Fourth, wildlife changes. Many nocturnal animals, including predators and prey species, rely on moonlight to carry out essential activities such as hunting, communication, and navigation. The absence of moonlight could disrupt these natural behaviors, potentially leading to changes in predator-prey dynamics, migration patterns, and ecosystem stability. Nocturnal insects, birds, mammals, and reptiles may experience altered foraging behaviors or shifts in habitat use in response to reduced nighttime illumination. Fifth, agricultural alterations. Lunar phases influence agricultural practices by affecting soil moisture, crop growth, and pest activity. Farmers often rely on lunar calendars to plan planting, harvesting, and other agricultural activities. Without the moon, farmers would lose a valuable tool for timing their agricultural operations, potentially leading to challenges in optimizing crop yields and managing pests and diseases. The absence of lunar influence could also impact traditional farming practices tied to lunar cycles, such as lunar planting and harvesting rituals observed in some cultures. Sixth, climate effects. The moon's stabilizing effect on Earth's axial tilt helps maintain relatively stable climate patterns over long periods. Changes in Earth's axial tilt can lead to shifts in seasonal temperatures, precipitation patterns, and climate zones. Without the moon's gravitational influence, Earth's axial tilt may become more variable, potentially leading to more extreme and unpredictable climate changes. These changes could have far-reaching implications for ecosystems, agriculture, water resources, and human societies, impacting everything from food production to infrastructure planning and disaster preparedness. Seventh, cultural and societal impact. The moon has inspired awe, wonder, and cultural significance throughout human history. It features prominently in mythology, folklore, art, literature, and religious practices across diverse cultures worldwide. Lunar phases and cycles have been used to mark time, regulate calendars, and coordinate social and religious events. The absence of the moon would disrupt these cultural traditions and rituals, potentially altering societal norms, beliefs, and practices. Additionally, the loss of the moon's symbolic and spiritual significance could have profound psychological and emotional effects on human societies, challenging our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. 8th, disruption of human sleep patterns. The moon's phases have been shown to influence human sleep patterns, with some studies suggesting that lunar cycles can affect the duration and quality of sleep. The absence of the moon could lead to disruptions in circadian rhythms and sleep-wake cycles, potentially affecting individuals' sleep quality and overall health. Without the natural rhythm of the lunar cycle to synchronize with, some people may experience difficulties in falling asleep or maintaining regular sleep patterns. This disruption in sleep could have widespread implications for mental health, cognitive function, and daytime productivity, highlighting the intricate connection between lunar cycles and human physiology. 9th, impact on lunar calendar-based traditions. Many cultures and societies around the world have traditional practices and rituals that are tied to lunar calendars and lunar phases. These traditions encompass a wide range of activities, including religious observances, agricultural festivals, and cultural celebrations. The disappearance of the moon would disrupt these lunar calendar-based traditions, potentially leading to changes in cultural heritage, community identity, and intergenerational knowledge transmission. Societies that rely heavily on lunar calendars for timekeeping and social organization would need to adapt their practices in the absence of lunar cues. 10th, changes in Earth's magnetic field. The moon's gravitational pull contributes to the stabilization of Earth's magnetic field, which protects the planet from harmful solar radiation and cosmic particles. Without the moon, Earth's magnetic field could become weaker and more susceptible to fluctuations, potentially exposing the planet to increased levels of solar radiation and cosmic rays. Changes in Earth's magnetic field could have implications for space weather, satellite communications, and the health and behavior of migratory animals that rely on geomagnetic cues for navigation. 11th, loss of lunar exploration and research opportunities. The moon has long been a subject of fascination and scientific exploration, with numerous space missions aimed at studying its surface, composition, and origin. The disappearance of the moon would eliminate future opportunities for lunar exploration and research, depriving scientists of a valuable natural laboratory for studying planetary geology, astrobiology, and the history of the solar system. The loss of the moon as an object of scientific inquiry could hinder our understanding of planetary formation and evolution processes and limit our prospects for future space exploration and colonization endeavors. 12th, changes in Earth's rotation speed. The moon's gravitational pull creates tidal friction, which slows down Earth's rotation over time. Without the moon, Earth's rotation speed could undergo changes, leading to alterations in the length of days and nights. While these changes would be relatively subtle and occur over long timescales, they could still have implications for ecosystems, climate patterns, and human activities that rely on precise timing and synchronization with Earth's rotational cycle. 13th, altered patterns of lunar eclipses and transits. Lunar eclipses occur when Earth's shadow falls on the moon, while lunar transits occur when the moon passes in front of other celestial bodies such as planets or stars. These astronomical events are not only visually striking but also provide valuable opportunities for scientific observation and research. The disappearance of the moon would eliminate future occurrences of lunar eclipses and transits, depriving astronomers of opportunities to study Earth's atmosphere, the composition of celestial bodies, and other phenomena associated with these events. The moon has captivated human imagination and culture for millennia, serving as a symbol of mystery, beauty, and transcendence in art, literature, religion, and folklore. Its disappearance would have profound psychological and cultural effects on human societies, challenging deeply ingrained beliefs, rituals, and traditions associated with the moon. The loss of the moon as a celestial companion and cultural icon could evoke feelings of grief, nostalgia, and existential uncertainty, prompting individuals and communities to reevaluate their relationship with the cosmos and their place within it. In addition to these consequences, there are still thousands that wouldn't even fit into our video, but what's up? Have you ever imagined all of this? So imagine what would happen if you didn't have the internet to watch this video? Or if you went online and couldn't talk to your love. If you want to know what would happen in the world without the internet, watch the video that will appear now. Thank you for watching until the end, and if you like this type of content, subscribe to our channel and enjoy lots of other videos like this. See you there.